Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone on over to your Google Chromecast or Android TV device. And this is very easy. And I believe like Sony TVs use Google Chromecast too. So what we want to do is go to the top of the screen and then scroll all the way over to the right. And we just want to verify we are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as our phone. So you can see Scump is selected there. Now, once we know our Wi-Fi, we want to go on over to apps, going down to where it says search, and we're going to type in Air. And there's going to be a bunch of different casting apps you can use, and I'll show you the one I think is the least headaches. So let's go to Air, then go to search right here, and tap this.
Sorry, Air isn't available on this TV.
And that is completely false because I literally have this application on my TV already. So I'm just going to go on over to my applications and I'll show you. So if you're not able to find it via searching, you can go on over to video players and edit. And you should be able to just scroll through here so you can find some other things like web video caster. That's not the one you want. TV cast, don't get that. We are looking specifically for something called, here's all screen, we don't want that. So let's go on over to where it says Air. So here it is, Air Mirror. This is the one we want. Go to this one, select it, and open it up. So I already have this downloaded, and it's very simple. It only takes like one click to get this start working. So once we open it up, this is where you're going to be brought. Then you can go to your iPhone, and if you swipe on down from the top right, make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, same Wi-Fi, and then press these two little boxes, and then I can just select my Chromecast, my Android TV, and it's going to connect right away. Boom, just like that. You can see I have Apple TV, Chromecast connected. And then here's my Fire TV upstairs. I can connect to that as well. So on the Fire TV, you can just simply download the AirPlay app. It's called AirPlay. You don't need to go to AirScreen. But this is the best Android TV app, I think, because it's just simply one click. All the other apps, you pretty much have to download something on your phone and then connect, and it's annoying. So now if I go back, if I swipe down from the top right, go to Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi. I can see Scump is connected there. So I can hold down on this, Scump connected. So you need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi, otherwise this simply won't work. And here's the screen mirroring option, the two little boxes. Just select in here. And you can see my Chromecast is selected. If you don't want to screen mirror anymore, go to stop mirroring. But yeah, this works pretty good. There might be a little bit of latency back and forth, but it's pretty responsive and it works. If you're trying to show off your photos or something like that on your iPhone, or maybe even watch like a movie or something like that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.